देखो 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 आगे तक और आगे तक बस। हाँ यहाँ पे
रिजल्ट बिल्कुल मूव नहीं करेगा इसको, बल्कि हम इसको ऑन कस के फ्रेम बना के छोड़ सकते हैं।
नहीं बना के छोड़ने में एक प्रॉब्लम होगी थोड़ी सी।
नहीं
ओह शिट।
कहीं पे अगर अच्छा ग्रुप बन रहा है तो करें तो कैसे लगा। और जैसे क्लोज करके फिर वहीं पे हम इसको
ज़्यादा विश्वास होता है।
अच्छा मेरी आदत ऐसी बन गई, स्टैंड पे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता काम करने पे।
मैं फुल नाइट जागरण जो है स्टैंड पे रख के नहीं करा, कभी नहीं करा मैंने आज तक काम।
नहीं अगर दिक्कत हो ना तो हाथ में ले लेना। मैं तो इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि हमें मेन स्टेज दिखाना है।
तुम्हारा स्टेज भी नहीं लेगा वैसे तो। नहीं अब लिया है तो उसका यूज़ तो करेंगे हम, लेकिन वैसे कह रहा हूँ
हो पहली बात तो है ना तो वहाँ पे भी
आयरस भी खोल सकता हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी मुझे।
आयरस यहीं से खुलेगा।
ये देखो ना आयरस,
एक मिनट रुको।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बिल्कुल ओके चलेगा। और जहाँ पे जिसका क्लोजअप चाहता हूँ वहीं हो जाएगा। जो ये बंदे को चाह रहा हूँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी।
ठीक है ऐसे करो। वैसे सही तरीका इसका वही है, राइट हैंड में ग्रिप होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि मूव जो करना है मूव राइट हैंड से होता है। लेफ्ट हैंड हमारे और काम के लिए। मेरी आदत मेरे काम करने का वो है, मुझे ऐसी आदत पड़ गई।
मैं एक बात बताता हूँ, वो उसको जानते हो सुभाष को? सुभाष को जानते हो? वो राइट हैंड से वो करता है। वो अरे वो तो तुम इसमें वो नहीं कराओगे, मिक्सिंग वगैरह नहीं सॉन्ग नहीं डलवाओगे तो फिर मत, फिर बोलो मत। बंद कर दो।
Expression of joy, happiness, and the never say die spirit are the milestones on this journey.
As the very name suggests, Annual Day is one day in the school calendar when the school pauses and reflects upon its achievements, the fruit of its labor. It provides its students a perfect platform to showcase their budding talents and to develop their musical and dramatic skills to the fullest.
Dear parents and guests, here I would like to mention that this cultural extravaganza being presented before you is an outcome of the constant efforts of the students and teachers under the dynamic guidance of our respected principal ma'am, constant encouragement of our honorable chairman sir, and immense support by our directors. Here I would like to make a special mention about our dear parents without whose support and desire to see their children perform, this program would have not come into existence.
Following the Indian tradition, when guests are placed next to gods, let us welcome our distinguished guests and parents with the presentation of a soulful song by our budding artists. Sing for you and then we'll flee away. Composed and directed by Mrs. Romi Roy and Mrs. Amreen Shamsi. function by lighting the lamp of knowledge.
तो फ्लैश नहीं चली कहाँ था टोल देखना कैसे आ रही है। भाई साहब लेकिन तो लगा दो
The weather being rather cool, but I'm sure the whole atmosphere and the ambience will make you cozy and comfortable because it is here that our children will shower us with their love, affection and warmth. Today's annual day program, titled Visage 2006, will showcase the talent of about 230 students. This program is the outcome of the concerted efforts of our students, the teachers, and the ever-inspiring parents. On this auspicious occasion, I take pride in welcoming our chief guest, Dr. S.C. Gupta, former Secretary CBSE and advisor GGS Indraprasth University, Delhi, who is amongst us today to make this evening a memorable one. A very learned person, Dr. Gupta is MA in Economics, PhD Economics, Vidya Vachaspati Education, Research Course full-time in Management of Examinations and Evaluation Techniques from the University of London, UK. Dr. Gupta has worked as a Secretary, CBSE 1993 to 1999. He has also been the Controller of Examinations 1983 to 1993. He has also worked as an advisor GGS Indraprasth University, Delhi. He has worked as the Director of 3 Management and Technology Institutes looking after BBBA, BCA, MBA, MCA, MSc Computer Science, PGDCA from 1999 till date. He has contributed articles both on secondary and higher education. He is an achiever of innumerable honors and awards both in India and abroad from the meritorious services rendered in the field of education. Dr. Gupta is a true pioneer and a visionary in the arena of education and learning. Now in a nutshell, I would like to bring forth the developments in the academic year 2006-2007. As you all are aware that our school is affiliated to CBSE and our first batch of students will be appearing for the secondary examination in the year 2007. The students are being prepared to face all the challenges in the modern day world. You will be glad to note that the process of upgradation of our school to give it the status of a senior secondary school has already been taken up. The construction of the first floor of the left wing of the school was successfully accomplished in this academic year. A foolproof firefighting system for the basement of the school has been laid. The swimming pool could not be inaugurated last year due to the ongoing construction on the adjacent site is absolutely ready and we are hopeful that it will become operational in this coming session. The construction of the basketball court and football field was undertaken this year and they have now become operational for the students. Soon we will be organizing a football tournament for our students as well as students of Noida. The school organized various events like the investiture ceremony, Independence Day celebration, various inter-house competitions. We lately organized the Bal Mela which was visited and enjoyed by over 2,000 people from and around the school. Our school will be an open center for the fourth consecutive year in January 2007 for the prestigious NSTSC examination, and you will be glad to note that our school was adjudged the best open center in Noida. Our students bagged trophies and awards in various competitions held at other schools in Noida, where they got a chance to perform and explore their talents and capabilities. Now, without taking up any more of your time, I once again extend a very warm welcome to this August gathering and wish you a very happy viewing. Thank you.
Before any occasion, free from rigid barriers of caste, community or language. Moreover, no occasion is required to show your heart's elation.
Our next offering is a Koli dance from the state of Maharashtra. Fishing is one of the main occupations of the people there, and they have got a unique way of expressing their joy while fishing. Let us welcome our young dancers with their song, celebrating the similar feeling of joy.
So that all our guests are able to see and enjoy the program. Thank you.
It was a scintillating performance by our young dancers from KG class. This dance was choreographed by Mrs. Pooja Sharma and Mrs. Maya Menon. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest to kindly come up on the stage and grace this August event with his precious words.
Only the principal of Bhagat Singh College, and he asked me to become a member of the governing body of the school. I gladly accepted the same, and believe me, ever since I come over here, I feel fascinated that the school is making progress all around me. I am also happy to come to MAF Academy today on the occasion of its annual day. It is my strong conviction that the annual day of a school is its best day. It is both a day of festivity and reckoning. Festivity comes from what the school has achieved throughout the year with the help of its management, the head of the school, the teaching faculty, the student community, and the parents' body. Since every school tries to do its best, it has a reason to be happy at the tally of its achievements and present their tally before an august audience for their appreciation and inspiration. It is a day of reckoning because on this very day, the school takes account of its unfulfilled hopes and unrealized dreams and thinks of doing much better than before. That makes it a complete day. It is also a complete day in another sense. On no other day, the members of the management, the officers of the education departments, the parents of the various boys and girls and the dignitaries of the public meet together at one place to see the school on the whole. I therefore regard the annual day of an institution as one of its best days. Friends, the academic, social, cultural and other co-curricular activities and achievements of the school are too numerous to be mentioned individually. There is no field of scholastic and non-scholastic activity in which the school has not made its indelible mark. It has proved its incomparable worth in academics, scouting, guiding, music, mathematics, sports, activities and enabled its students to achieve A1 grades and a large number of it's not an ordinary matter that the school has today quite a large number of students on its roll and apart from its up-to-date infrastructure. Friends, the educational scenario in our country is in turmoil. With the rapid progress of science and technology, infotech and multimedia, the entire social scenario has changed. Education is, however, still a good deal conservative. A large number of schools are depending upon obsolete written material and out-of-date educational technology. Our teachers are by and large still backward-looking. They have passed through a system in which emphasis on quality education was non-existent. Their personal upbringing and pedagogical training has been of a very low quality. It is unimaginable to expect from such teachers the type of education which the modern child needs in the age of intensive globalization. Yet, we have to rely upon these pedagogical resources to educate our millions of children in rural and semi-urban areas. Even in cities where modernization has cast its spell, there is constant need to reorient the teachers to assimilate the latest techniques and other innovations in the areas of learning. This calls for a school-based in-service training of the teachers after very short intervals of a year or so. Friends, when I was sitting in the principal's room, I found out what steps have you taken for your teachers to upgrade their knowledge and upgrade their skills in teaching methodology. She was very emphatic. She says that she has been deputing teachers for orientation programs and refresher courses, which is indeed a very laudable thing to do. Well, it is one thing for the teachers to be professionally upgraded by resource persons in seminars and workshops. It is quite another to build a habit of continuous self-improvement. The professional growth of a teacher should not by and large depend upon outside forces. He or she should become a daily learner of the new material and the new teaching strategies to do justice to the students who are exposed to the changing world through the electronic media. The Central Board of Secondary Education, the state SCRTs and the National Council of Educational Research and Training are organizing in-service training programs in each subject from time to time. However, I believe that there is no one in waiting for these agencies to hold their reorientation programs. The best teacher is one who updates his knowledge and tools almost every day with the help of libraries, media and other agencies and does not wait for a single moment to renew his mind and hands for the benefit of his students. It is worth mentioning that the market is now flooded with new types of teaching aids, which a progressive school should buy immediately to make the classroom teaching more effective and more lively. The students of our time prefer the printed word to the visual appeal. Let us not disappoint them in this aspect and make our teaching programs as interesting as possible. Friends, another dimension which a teacher has to add to his or her personality is beyond nationalism. Gone are the days.
इधर फेस करके इधर फेस इधर रखिएगा
Now, I would like to call upon the Captain Anis Ahmed and Vice Captain Yogita Nigam of the firehouse, along with their house mistresses, Mrs. Kavita Shankar and Mrs. Meera Arora, to collect the trophy for excelling in the field.
फेस एक मिनट ऊपर हाँ यस
And Mrs. Kiran Singh to receive the trophy.
फेस इधर ये फेस ऊपर हाँ यस यस थैंक यू
Thank you, sir.
Someone has said very aptly, not the size of the task, but the spirit shown in the task is the measure of the man. We MFIs are addicted to look towards the future with a Earth is man's home. Its safety ensures man's own safety. To spread this message of preserving the environment, we celebrate Earth Day too. But has anyone given a thought as to what causes environmental pollution, how it affects humans, plants and animals, and how to prevent it? Here is the answer to this thought-provoking question being presented before you in the form of a Hindi play titled Hamara Circle by the students of Standard 1st and 2nd.
प्रकृति करती है यहाँ अतनाद तूने कैसा मचाया यह उत्पात मेरे बिना नहीं जी पाएगा तो समय रहते संभाल ले स्वयं को तू समाधान बताइए। बेटा, मेरी इन विशाल जटाओं ने मानव की न जाने कितनी पीढ़ियां देखी हैं। देखते ही देखते ये मनुष्य क्या से क्या हो गया। जिस देश में वृक्षों को देवता मानकर उनकी पूजा की जाती है, उसी देश में उन पर ऐसा अत्याचार। बाबा, मुझे तो आश्चर्य इस बात का है कि हम वृक्ष इनके लिए इतने उपयोगी हैं, फिर भी ये हमें काटने में जरा भी नहीं झिझकते, जरा भी नहीं सोचते कि हम ही इनके जीवन रक्षक हैं, हम ही इनके आश्रयदाता हैं। हाँ बाबा, अब तो हमारा अस्तित्व ही खतरे में है। तुरंत इसका कोई समाधान खोजना चाहिए।
was conceived and directed by Mrs. Mamta Tomar, Mrs. Anju Jutshi and Mrs. Uzma Shakir. Parents are requested to be seated so that all our guests are able to see and enjoy this program.
How do you like the idea of chilling out with the old pony M number who you with their dancing skills? Let us welcome our young dancers with their song Brown Girl in the Rain, choreographed by Mrs. Monica Nair and Miss Tehmina.
जब पोडियम पे अनाउंसमेंट हो ना तो आप अपना लाइट ऑन मत करिए, तो स्टेज पे जो बैकग्राउंड ये सब होगा ना,
features and culture of our country are so vivid and vibrant that we can talk ceaselessly about them. The geographical vastness ranges from the great Himalayas in the north to the brimming rivers which flow southwards. Here come the students of class 3rd and 4th with a soulful rendition of the song Jai Bharati, which manifests the diversified culture of our country. That was an outstanding performance by our budding singer.
Enjoy the program. Our next item is a hilarious Hindi drama titled Andher Nagri Chopper Tata, being performed by a young actor. This play is about a king who delivered absurd rulings resulting in utter chaos.
Give a pause to your narration, please. Let the audience read for them.